Today we are with another video. We are going to do gardening. Gardening. Everybody loves to have flowers, vegetables growing around their houses, but very few people actually like to put their hands into the soil and grow some seeds. Gardening actually nurtures life. Yes, it's a lot of fun. It nurtures life. It's such a pleasure to be able to dig the soil, to plant a few seeds, and to see it growing into a plant. Yes, into flowers or whatever else that you're growing. Gardening also helps you to look at life with new hope and patience. Yes, you heard it. Yes, that's very true. Gardening helps to bring patience and also nurtures life, hope. It's good for all ages. Such a sheer pleasure to do gardening, to put your and to see your plants growing. Yes. I have with me an empty pot, some soil, some seeds, water, and I'm going to fill the pot with the soil, and afterwards we'll be putting the seeds in it. Usually the pot has a hole at the bottom for draining. I'm going to block it with a small piece of brick piece. I'm going to put soil inside it. Let it be inside. Can we put the soil in? We have to cover it. There's a hole now, we have to cover the hole. We have filled the pot 3/4, and now we are going to put these flower seeds inside it. And will you help me to put the seeds? Asking children to do gardening, or take these seeds in your hand and we'll plant them. Okay, take them. Involving them in gardening is such a lovely hobby. It's not just a hobby, it's something which is going to help them for their lifetime. They may not enjoy gardening as they grow older, but definitely when they are adults, they're going to really enjoy it. Yes, you'll also put it here. There is seed soil which I'll be putting on top of the seeds. The seeds are like small little babies. They require fine food, and that's why we have seed soil here. Let's put all this. Are you enjoying it?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Now the seeds have been sown, and the soil has been, they have been covered with soil. They're going to sprinkle some water on the soil. And we will be leaving the pot in semi-shade for it to grow. At least a week or 10 days it may take for the little sprouts to come out. But we'll be looking at the pot every day with a lot of enthusiasm, so that the child will also be looking with awe as to what is going to come out of these seeds. Inculcating gardening as a habit with the children is something which is going to develop their natures, their characters. They'll become more rooted to the ground and more humane. They will also understand the value of everything that grows around them. This is also something very good for older people when you're lonely and you do not know what to do. Growing plants can give you hope and patience, as well as a lot of love. And a lot of love for life, as well as something to look forward to. Tomato seeds in this pot. Cover it with soil and sprinkle some water on it. Here. No, you don't have to pour. Put your hand in and sprinkle. Gardening is such a magical activity. It brings such joy when you see the plants sprouting out of the seeds. And little stories can be told to the children about how the plant seeds are going to sprout and wait to come to see the moon.
Moon.
Yes, how the sun will come and help the plants to grow, and how the water is going to make food for them. So there's a lot of life stories that can be told through gardening. What have you grown now, Chinu?
Tomato seeds.
Tomato seeds. Did you enjoy growing the seeds?
Yes.
And what will you do when the tomatoes grow?
it up.
You'll eat it up. How will you eat it? Just by itself?
No.
Yes, you'll cut it and eat it.
No, then the knife will hurt me here.
Okay, so you'll ask somebody else to cut it and give you.
Yes.
Yes, you'll cut it and eat it, na? You enjoyed yourself?
Yes.
So let's say happy times.
Happy time.
Happy times.
Happy time.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this short video and you enjoy gardening. Have a great time. Take care of yourselves.